This is tutorial for Te Amare Toda Vida, vln3 for Mariachi Advanced Period 4. Before we begin, we have three flats. We have B flat, which is low 1, E flat, which is 3 and 4 touching, and A flat, which is 3 and 4 touching as well. There's a double movement right here, so you'll be playing F, A flat. C, D will be aviated below, so you'll be playing low C, low D, and you'll be playing these half notes and eighth notes here. There's some 4 parts that I'll be splitting with thirds. So first time I will be playing the top part. So for example, which will be F, which will be in E flat, and that's it. So here we go. There's a lot of accidentals, so just keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on a lot of sharps and flats that will be added. Here we go. Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's an 8 note, so short. Starting on section 1 with the top part. 3, 4, 1. And then we repeat the section 1 again. But this time we're going to skip the first ending and jump straight to the second ending, which is the bottom part unison. So here we go, section 1 again. And I'll be doing the bottom melody for bottom third. What I just played right now was the third top melody. So here we go. 3, 4, 1. Bottom part, second ending. And then from here on out, with unison, we have a lot of slurs here. It's a 4-note slur. So here we go. 3, 2, 3, 4. Four-bar rest. 3, 4, and then we have the A flat. So here we go. 3, 4, 1. And then the next part is third position, and we're going to be doing 3-note slur, 2-note slur, 2-note slur. This is one of the most complex parts in the song, so we're going to take this part slower than what we've been doing so far. So here we go. 3, 4. We'll do that again a little bit slower. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. Next part. 3, 4, 1. 1. And aviate. Okay. And then we do the beginning, and then we take the coda. So here we're going to play this part aviated below, down, down, and we will be doing the top part, and then I'll be doing the bottom part right after, so either a G or an E flat. So here we go. 3, 4, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then I'll be doing the top part. I actually did the bottom part there by accident. So we'll be doing the top part now for third. 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it.